Good morning, chat. Hope everyone's doing amazing this Tuesday. Let's see. Plans for today. I think getting on to the actual logic of the spawn pool. I think that's where we're at. I'll have to look once we actually get started on that, but I think that's where we are. And I'm very excited to see where that goes. Like I've had a vision for how this is all going to come together, and we're getting really close. So, that said, to our startup. Let's see. Ooh, let's go. And I am so close to UL 60. So close. That'll mean level 90 characters. Ooh. In short, could be exciting. But don't think I'm close enough to hit it today. Like I've been skyrocketing through the union levels. Like I think when we picked it up again, like a couple weeks ago, I was at like 45. So pretty happy with that progress. Not enough wave plates to do much there. Guess I'll continue the combat stuffs. And my Carlotta is strong enough that I can use her now. Very exciting. She's about on par with Gion right now, but my understanding is she can get a lot better than Gion. Okay, requirements. Oh, just don't let it get hurt. Got it. Got it. That feather. Got it. And big damage. Oh yeah. So much damage. Okay, maybe she is better than Gion now. Also, the fact that I don't have to leave the ring when knocking enemies out. Very nice. Whoa, that hurt. Let's just burst our way through. Or liberation our way through. What? Did I win? Oh, I won. Last few, I've been able to take out all of the waves before the timer's up. So, like, when it ends prematurely, I've been going, wait, what? Or, like, when it ends at the timer, I've been very confused. A little bit north. Not high enough? There we go. Be grabbed. That. Form dodges. Come on. 1. 2. What? Use you. 3 and 4. Good. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. That's bad. Okay, big guns, let's go. Whoa, 116, nice.
Anything catch your eye?
I normally have to have a perfect rotation for those numbers on Gion. All right. Ooh, there it was. Come back here. Oh, these are annoying. Partially because I'm really bad at them. I think part of the issue is the slow travel time on these projectiles. Then again, I think I haven't tested. Oh, it does actually do damage, just not very much. thing I haven't done. Better. All right. Absorb all the spirit flames. Wait. What? Excuse me? Oh. One way down here? The heck? I can bring it all the way up the stairs. Whoa. Okay. I didn't think that was a valid move, but alright. I'll take it. Good job, bunny. Are you a person I can talk to? No. Okay. Bye then. Hooray for psychedelics! What are we doing this time? Huh? What? What is happening? Hmm? Well, this is definitely one of the weirder ones. Like, I think it's literally just hit them. Like, I don't think I can fail this. Alright. Where are we going now? Hooray! Rewards. Oh, 100%. Nice. All right. Let's see. We got a little bit more time. Apparently, I've got a lot of Dream Patrol to do over here. I feel like maybe one or two. Made so many of those stupid coins. And there's a limit to how many you can collect per day, which is weird. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay, what's the conditions for this one? Defeat them within a small duration of each other. Form dodge counters. There we go. Now just defeat them within a small duration of each other. Should be able to do that without too much trouble. Okay, this one's gone. And that one's gone. Nice. Easy peasy. Oh, I didn't refresh chat today, did I? Maybe I did. I don't remember. Doesn't hurt to refresh it again, though. Just out of curiosity. Good. That will do it for startup today. Anything else I need to check real quick? What's going on in the backpack? Oh, this thing. Okay. Good work. Where were we on this? Part of where we were was finding out all the weird behavior in Godot. Need to figure that out. So that's for a later time. For now. The first thing, I need an animation for getting rid of this. Let's test that out. Let's call it end. Take what? 2 seconds. One thing it should do, so what's the progression here? Stop bubbling, shrink, and then before we get down to 0, fade away. Okay. First off, where do I end on the emitter delay? 0.05 and 0.03. Right. Oh, they're at 0.3 right now. The end animation I will actually, so the main animation, that is going to go away at some point. This guy is actually going to be in use. And I think I should extend this to like 4 seconds. Got that one. And scale. Somewhere around here. Want it to be at 0.2. Or first off, still have that error popping up. No. Okay. Modulate. Gimme. Start there, and by the time I reach there, I need it invisible. Oh, that's not right. But I don't actually want it fading away right at the start. Something kind of like that seems wrong. I thought modulate could handle continuous change, but it's behaving like discrete. Not great. So make right fade away. Family achieved using a queen. Why isn't there a way to do this with the animation player? This seems like such a basic thing you should be able to do in the animation player, right? We'll check this video out. Effects. Queen, animation player, and shaders to create effects like that. If you're not familiar with shaders, here's Godot shaders. Yeah. Okay, how are you accomplishing? Why isn't mine working? Because I did the same thing. That don't make no sense. Let's try grabbing this modulator. Oh, wait, is he... Nope, he's animating modulate. Can you really not fade sprites and stuff? It doesn't make any sense. Go sprite 2D animation player modulate. Property track animation player grab onto the modulate value of the sprite. Frames start. Alpha value of 2.5. Way through with track 5, and at the end with sprite does nothing before vanishing. Oh, the shader. Boop. Okay, I know how to fix that. It's annoying, but I know how to fix that. So here's a question. Can I fix it by just animating this? And for anyone who didn't catch that, the issue is I have a shader that does stuff with transparency, so it's overriding the changes from the animation. assuming this also will not work because I have another shader on that one, but it's so fast to test, it's worth a try. I figured. Which shader do I want to put this on? We'll put it on the other one because that's too much going on at once. Oh, wait. There's not actually that much going on, is there? Right, because the drop shadow stuff doesn't stay. The noise doesn't stay. Okay, that's not that bad. Form, float, modulate, range. Sure. Divide the alpha. No, times the alpha. Probably just have this be a color. How did I do that for drop shadow? There we go. Got it. Now, nice. That is potentially going to be way more useful later on. Okay. Now, I should be able to animate that and it just works. Nice. Now, scale. This goes down to continuous, so I can Oh, that's not right. That seems right. Okay, and what was my slow bubble? 3, 3, 3 per second. I probably want those to get very slow here. And here, basically stop. That should be close enough to stopping. Okay. I need to start thinking about how to orchestrate all of this. Like, what's gonna make the puddle appear? So, like, I need to know what's gonna make the puddle pop into existence. What's going to tell the puddle it needs to disappear? And what's going to cause the golem to start spawning in the puddle? I have no idea. Another factor is knowing where regular enemies are throughout this. Wouldn't be a bad idea to have a boss spawn area. For now, I don't need it though. So what I should probably do treat the spawn puddle kind of like an enemy. I think that's the play. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, hold on. How is this guy structured? Right, I have the hard-coded 10 per second right now. How do, chat? How do? Because I'd like to have just one spawner for handling everything. Let's start with basics. So, slime puddle Need some kind of code for saying, hey, here's where the other enemies are. I also need some form of geometry for this guy. How are we making sure we're in a valid location? So we get a spawn location, right? Right. I remember you. Sort of. While we're near player, or while player locations, or not in the spawn area, or intersecting body. Will this work? Nope. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay. What I need to be doing is grabbing this shape dynamically. How am I going to do that? When do we instantiate the enemy? That happens way down there. Okay, that doesn't work. Where is the first time I need that? There. Instantiate the enemy so we can use its fate. That's on look. Oh, collision shape is there. Excellent. Right? Double check. That's fine. That that. I think that just hopefully. Does that actually get used? Apparently yes. That case. Enemy dot collision shape dot shape. Okay. That guy now has the proper shape. Good. I think we're golden. Think. What next? Sorry guys, my brain is not firing on all cylinders right now. Think. So what all needs to happen? I need to spawn a whole bunch of enemies. Ow. I don't know. Also worth noting, the template sorry. It's expecting it to be an enemy base, which is not fantastic. Let's have it be a character body 2D. That's what we'll do. Rename this. Not as restrictive as I'd like it to be, but have to do. So at least make a note. Only enemy base and props are currently ported. Okay. which means I probably should create a prop base class. Probably. For now, I'm not going to worry about it though. Hey. Hey. Add it to right. That'll make sure it doesn't intersect anything. Is there any chance of it having graphical issues? Because my collision is not the same as where things are visibly. I think we're okay. Actually, I don't need this shape to be... because this isn't actually going to collide with anything. I can have this shape be whatever I want. Yeah, let's make a prop base. I think the easiest way to do this is going to be rename this to prop base. It's not actually going to save me any time, am I? Now, having prop base won't save me at all over in the spawners, because I'm still reverting them both to character body 2D. That can now spawn the puddle. How do I orchestrate this? Because the steps here are spawn a bunch of slimes, spawn the puddle, spawn the golem. Try writing stuff down. On something. Start spawning times. On reaching critical mass. On puddle. Slimes go to puddle. On slime golem. Something. Maybe I create a custom scene just for orchestrating this section. Kind of hoping I wouldn't have to get into this just yet. This is basically the beginning steps of the level editor that I talked about ages ago. Okay. I have other things going through my head right now. sorry for the pauses, guys. I'm trying to think through this, and part of what's going through my head is I'll want things like waves where I spawn, like I'll want overlapping waves for one. I want overlapping waves, so how will those come about? I need a top level orchestration scene. That's the first thing. And what that's going to be responsible for is creating enemy spawners. Or entity spawners. That's what I need. Create new folder. Wave orchestra. It should not be that hard to get out. Also have the editor crash when moving a directory with large amount of files. That. And it's open. Creating an empty folder takes 10 plus seconds and it really hurts the scalability of any project. Yeah, this is tragic. Oh well. Maybe they'll fix it at some point in the future. It just means my folders are gonna get very hairy every time I try to make a new one. Well, new scene will be a node. This is going to be a level orchestra. Okay. if there's a way to prevent Godot from scanning specific directories. Prevent Godot from scanning specific. Okay, try it. Curious, is this? Cheat. And what if I assets? Lovely. Thank you, Godot. Okay. It worked! Hooray! Great new folder. Boss. That was so fast! Wonderful. New scene. Climb Golem Orchestrator. You are going to be a node. Okay. Enemy spawner, I think, is going to just go away. At least from this view. Orchestrator. Put him here. Slime Golem, don't need you right now. Level Orchestrator needs to know about anything that a spawner needs to know about. Or almost any. So it needs spawn area, enemy container. Don't need entity template. Not need is priority. Player safe radius. Probably not. But I will need to set all of those. They don't need to be exports anymore. Okay. Those don't have to be exports either. Don't need any exports for this thing now. Oops. Okay, and Orchestrator needs to have what? Actually, I think I want a different name for this. And a level orchestrator is fine. Once I get to the point of having like a stage select, then I'll have something called like a level loader. I'm gonna call it Orchestrators. Because I'll probably end up putting level loader in there, well, since the behavior is very, very similar. Okay. What all do you need? I want an array of something. Because I need it to know, hey, spawn this, then spawn this, then spawn this. What do each of those things need? They need a spawn timer. Or spawn time, I should say. One thing I definitely want is a check for enemies present. Probably every, say every 2 seconds, slow it down a little bit. Be an auto start. Physics timer on timeout. Okay. If enemy container dot count is greater than or is always going to be here. It can't be less than. We will do something. Basically, do the next wave. I need another timer. Wave delay timer. Be one shot. Thousand is fine for the default there. Physics-based timer. That one's just gonna be a pass for now. These are actually both gonna go do the same thing. On next. Okay. So, if all of the enemies are dead, on next wave. If we get to the time of the next wave and they haven't finished killing enemies, on the next wave anyway. Okay. Priority. All that stuff. So, if I recall, yeah, what I wanted to do for my game is not have it time-based, but enemy count-based. So, things I need for whatever array I'm going to make. I need... There's two types of things, right? So there's create orchestrator, right? Which is sort of a custom thing that's going to do its own logic. Don't worry about it. Then there is create spawner. Separate kind of thing. What do I need to know for the spawner? I need to know entity template. Wave delay. On cap. On rate. So I've got my type of enemy, how long to wait before the wave starts. Let me reorder that. So we have start time, type, number, and the rate. Is there anything else I need to know there? For now, probably not. Now, one way to do this is I have this thing persist and decide when to spawn things. Right? I have to do that because of this. Or, sorry, because of this. What I was thinking for a second there is I could have it just create all of the spawners, like all of the waves up front, and give them all delays that just set them to be at the right times. Problem doing that is there wouldn't be a check here. Okay, so this thing does have to persist. Instead of having a wave delay, let's have a wave duration. Does that even... Does that make sense? No, it does not. Because if there's a spawn cap and a spawn rate, that dictates the duration. At least the duration of the spawning part. Maybe I create a scene for this, or a resource. Just call it test for now. Uh, okay, let's ask custom resource. Custom resource. Sends resource, gives a bunch of fields, and it has an init. Okay. I think I know what to do here. That a script is useless, so let's add some data and logic. Patch a script named that. Why are we making the resource file here? Don't understand. That seems superfluous. Let's jump back to MakerTech's video on this. Hold on, I have it saved in my notes somewhere. Where are you? So UI quick start, no. Where did I put you? Finite state machine. Ah. think I found it. I found it! Yay! Maker Tech, thank you for existing. I want... I think this. Resources. Okay. Show me. Yeah. Do... Okay, so... Got it. The way she does it is the way I kind of expected you would do it. You create a script file that extends a resource. That is not the same as creating an resource file. Hey there, still needs work. How's it going? I should document what I'm doing because this has exploded into some new features. Create level orchestrator. Create boss orchestrator. Time boss. What else am I doing? Create wave data resource. Okay. I need all of those before I can finish the spawn tools stuffs. I'm doing pretty awesome. We're jumping into a whole bunch of functionality that I didn't have planned yet, but I need it, so what you gonna do? What is a level orchestrator? It's a name I'm using for this. It is the thing that's gonna say at 30 seconds spawn start this wave, at 2 minutes start this wave, at 3 minutes start this wave. What you going to do, wizard? That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. We'll see how it turns out. Create new script. Inherits resource. Wave data. Bar. Wave delay. I remember that from The Hobbit. Sorry, I never saw The Hoblet. I never saw The Hobbit. When the Goblin King confronts Gandalf with a sword. Sorry, I don't know anything about it. My knowledge of Lord of the Rings, the Lord of the Rings trilogy, and that's it. Okay. I can't imagine I will ever use 300 seconds, but that's the max. Actually, let me just grab both of these because need I might actually need multiple resource types here. Maybe. That's not there. Not there. Let me clean some of this up. Fine, I'm just gonna close all of it. How to do this? So I need to have an orchestrator type, and I need to have a spawner type. I could have a single type. It's just a funny scene. Let us see. And here's where I get copyright strikes. Oh boy. That's not good. Okay, what is this? Huh? Oh. So I haven't watched these movies at all. And just at a glance here, that looks awful. Like, they don't even have shadows. What is what? That's awful. How much did they spend on this? Hold on. Budget. Okay. Let's which one is this? This is which movie is this? You're gonna have to tell me which of the three movies is this one? Which Hobbit he has the Goblin King? An Unexpected Journey. Okay. $180 million. Okay. Just so we have a sense of scale. Guys. Can we and I think everyone would agree the CGI, especially in Return of the King, is basically flawless. Like, they did a ridiculously good job with the CGI. Okay. You're right. This is a funny scene. This is hilarious. What else are we going to see here? Did they finally put shadows in? Oh, they put shadows in. No. This is a real set now. Okay. Okay, so real set, and we get shadows. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm okay with this. Okay, this is better. That running scene, that got me. That was good.
You thought you could escape me.
Wait, hold on. I gotta see that real quick. Guys, they're making their shadows the way I make my shadows in my game. You see the problem? So, I'm gonna try to look really closely to be sure. Because the arm does swing back to... It's a little bit ahead of the feet, so maybe it's okay, but it doesn't look like it. Oh, there is a shadow. Okay, it's just... Wait. No! I think it's really hard to tell. But notice there's a shadow on the ground right here for the stick. But there doesn't appear to be a shadow for the arm that's holding it. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt. And let's assume the shadow is just like off screen here. That's what we'll do. We'll assume it's off screen.
What are you going to do now, wizard?
Good question. Also, can we take a moment? I think we could cut off. No. I think the issue here is they didn't want to have to spend the animation budget on shadows. Notice we're specifically at an angle where they won't have to animate shadows. This is the kind of tomfoolery I am pulling for my game that's on a budget of 0. Like, this is my life savings going into this project. They have 160... It was million, right? Please tell me it wasn't billion. Where is it? Sorry, $180 million. Oh no, we gotta check for shadows there. Come on. Okay, it looks like they actually used actors in the background. Nope, they did not. Nope, the stuff in the background's moving way too smoothly. Those are not organically moving creatures. Oh, that's sad. Thing is, you know you're gonna need goblins for a lot of stuff in this film, right? Why not just hire extras? Ooh, the chin here is awful, guys. Like the neck is awkwardly stretching away from the chin. That's not how bodies move.
That'll do it.
Also, why is he making a joke out of his own death? Folks, that's bad writing. If I'm being stabbed to death or cut up to death, I'm not going to make a joke about my own death. Like, I don't know, that's what is funny. I see, to me that's not funny. That's just bad writing. It's the writers thinking, "Oh, we need to meet our joke quota. Like we haven't had a joke in 2 minutes." I I hmm. All right, Hobbit. Well, that did wonders to reaffirm my belief that I should not watch the Hobbit movies. Ow. Okay, when did Return of the King come out? Nine years earlier. Better CGI. Woo! I thank you for that. I am just baffled. Woo! Okay. I think what I'll do for this is just have it ignore things if what we get is an orchestrator. That does mean I need to create orchestrator base. Excuse me. Great new script. We're just going to extend object. Orchestrator base. Level orchestrator. Oh, wait. That's basically a placeholder. Oh, there we go. Spins orchestrator base. Ah, it needs to extend node, apparently. Okay. Ooh, hold on. I need something else here. Hold on, hold on. Okay. How do I tell it this? Guess I want a packed scene. Because I need to tell it which of these types it is. Let's go ahead and make spawners be a type of orchestrator. Oh, wait, they can't be. Because spawners also include other stuff. Oops. It's going to be a packed scene either way, so it doesn't matter. Um... Because if it's a packed scene, it doesn't even have a type yet. That's fine. Our enemy... Count. Now, if I could just remember how to do documentation for this stuff. Welcome back. Huh? Why is that saying it's an array? Ah, go away. Okay. Yes, yes, resource. Okay, so the thing I want is not a resource. Probably want an object. Or not? Type can only be built in resource, node, or enum. How do I do this? I don't like it. I don't like it. Break time. That's how we're going to solve this problem. We're going to take a break. Let me clean up this mess. All that leftover from yesterday. Finding out about those stupid pixels. All right. And should have enough wave plates to do one of the weeklies. And I've only done Hecate with Gion and his team. So let's see how it goes with Carlotta. 225. Yeah, I need to do a shorter stream today. I've got people I gotta call and stuff I gotta do. I thought I did finish. Good. Let's... Nope, that's the wrong thing. A note, guys. Some of your icons are really similar to me. Like, quests here, guidebook. My brain does not see these as that different. Maybe I'm alone here. And at a quick glance, even Pioneer Podcast, my brain puts in the same category because it's 3 squares. It's too much similarity for my dumb brain. Weekly, wait. Okay, I did finish all my double clears today. Got one more weekly we can do here. And hopefully Carlotta makes this more manageable. I have a rough time doing this with Gion. But we'll see. I know I need to level up those characters more anyway.
Shackles be gone. I can keep going.
Oh my goodness. Nice. Okay. This is going pretty good. Oh, very good. Okay. First phase was very comfortable.
Verity shines. Transmitting frequency. Stay behind me. Like frigid death.
I dodged that.
My compliment. Running won't save you. Still descent. Still recognizing.
Come on, there we go.
Favors me.
How are we gonna do? Big damage.
In the name of
How much? Not bad.
take this.
Dude, that was way more comfortable than Gion. Now, granted, she's a lot easier to play than Gion, but still, that was awesome. And just think, she can get stronger. Granted, the bosses are also gonna get stronger, but it's fine, it's fine.
I alone will decide whether it's for show or for battle.
Don't love her accent though. got 2. Garbage. Need gold flames for that. Purple flames for that. I don't know what my priority is on her right now. It's got a lot of nice multipliers. But here's a way to check. Preview. So roughly a 10% boost there. Not quite 10% there. %5 on the necessary measure stage 1. Heavy. I don't really use the heavy attack though, do I? Yeah. I'll worry about that then. This guy, coming up every 14 seconds is really nice. This guy coming up pretty frequently is also really nice. Let's call it a little less than a 10% boost there, right? 49 for a little less than 10. Let's call it like 8%. Versus this getting what? About an 8% increase. Alternatively, I just pumped liberation damage. Ooh. That's like a full 10% boost, isn't it? Not quite on the death knell damage. That's interesting. First hit gets the biggest boost as you raise it. I don't know. Let's go. Honestly, I want better basic attacks. Even though that's not the best use of my resources, I like having strong basic attacks. And I'm planning to get all of her stuff to 10 anyway. Okay. Luckily, I've got... Oops. So is that my last one? Have I finally used up all of my freebie stuff here? Almost. Yeah, I'm out of freebies. Tragic. I'm gonna have to actually spend wave plates to level things up. Garbage. Total garbage! Alright. We're done with that for today. Let's do more dream patrols.
Quickly and swiftly.
Oh, it teleported me right to it. Nice. Defeat the knight before they perform 3 weapon changes. Take less than 10 hits. Defeat all enemies. Or, okay. Yeah, I'll just kill him fast.
Still recognize me? Brilliance lights the way. Victory favors me.
I think we're good.
In the name of the Montellis.
Oh yeah. Dude stood no chance.
The wise investment.
Okay, reach, double S, counterattack, laser beam 4 times. Take less than 6 hits. So do a bunch of counterattacks. Got it.
Quickly and swiftly. Stand down.
That wasn't a laser beam. What? Why isn't this counting? No, no, seriously, why isn't this counting? Oh, that's the counterattack. Oh, missed it. Hold on. We're restarting this.
Transmitting
That was awful.
appear.
Hello. What?
Stay behind me.
Okay, here's how we're gonna do it. Two. What? How do I do this? Like, I can't reach.
Time to part ways.
Okay. Good enough? I got the double S.
Start small to go big.
That was kind of close because I was doing so much damage I couldn't get the counterattacks in.
Keep up.
Next. Launch a Hocus Pocus into the air for a total of 4 seconds. Less than 8 hits from Cuddle Wuddle. Uh-huh. I don't know how to juggle.
Can keep
Okay. So I guess I got him into the air at some point. Okay, that worked. Ah! Oh no. We're just gonna go straight for the damage because I don't want to get hit.
In the name
Please be enough.
of Teles.
Oh, thank you. Good job, Carlotta. I basically don't have to worry about getting double S because it will just happen by spamming attacks. Hold up. I see a chest over there.
Quickly and swiftly. Found your weak spot. Not even close. You will yield.
And you're done, son. Oh, it was a fake chest. That makes sense. But there's a real one over here. Oh, don't tell me this is one of the... I think these might be one of the level 20 groups. Oh? But the game is not telling me that that's a chest. The radar. Oh, interesting. Ooh, interesting. So, they can even appear locked. That's wild to me. Hello.
A smooth journey.
That's not what I wanted. There we go.
Start small to go big.
Next. Got enough time for a few more. Tactical holograms. Don't make this... Don't let this be the level 120. Don't think it is. Oh, it's one of these. Well, that's no problem. Eight seconds. one more. Okay. Easy peasy. Next. Dude, we're gonna 100% another region. Oh, that damage. And I'm not even buffing at all. Try throwing out this. Like just her buff. That's hefty damage, dude. Oh. This one's very fast. But apparently I can just stay in the center and I'm fine. That seems very silly. Wait, I can dodge these? I had no idea! Ah, those challenges are so much easier than I thought, now that I know that. Sweet. What just happened? I learned that you can dodge the like use the actual dodge button. You don't have to walk out of the way of those projectiles. Because it's presented like it's a puzzle thing, but apparently not. Oh, I forgot to look at what the requirements are for this one. Use intro skills 4 times. Take less than 10 hits. That should be very easy with this team. Come on, intro. Good enough. Got intro, nice. I need to not use the ultimate yet. On and there. Ultimate, let's go. Oh, this is so much easier. Did Reddit ever get back to you about being shadow banned and fixing it? No.
A wise investment.
I never heard anything back. Oh, I didn't look at the requirements again. Oh, just keep it alive. Easy. It was like 2 days ago I was struggling with everything. Now it's like, I got this.
Frozen blockade.
My compliments.
Big boom, let's go. Where? There you are.
Still recognize me.
Oh, I need to check out something real quick. Sorry. Resonance Liberation. Does this count as Resonance Liberation damage? Considered resonant skill damage. Oh. Okay, so I do not need to be using Sanhua with her. Like, I'm losing out on a ton of damage. Okay, never mind. Just big booms, let's go. Beautiful. Come on. Do it. 3, 2, 1, and... Dude. Carlotta's kind of nuts. And you're done. Huzzah! How many more? Probably too much. Which server is this? This is North America. And hi there, Chompy. How's it going? Stun saber boars by making them run into obstacles. That's gonna be a pain.
Quickly and swiftly.
Wait, this is not the same one. Counterattack to defeat two. What?
Not even close. Time to part ways. An eye for an eye.
I don't know how to do this. About to go to sleep? Well, I'm glad you joined us. Okay, so that's a counterattack, right? Why do they do so much damage? Also, one's already gone. Okay, I got it. I got it. I don't understand what happened there, but I won and got all the objectives. I have no understanding of what's happening anymore.
Administering first aid. Appear.
Last one.
Quickly and swiftly.
Oh yeah, gotta have the boars run into stuff. Get rid of those things. Because they're the worst. Nice. Form 6 dodges. Should be easy. Come on. And I need to end with an S rank. 4, 5, 6.
Frozen blockade.
My company. Surrender. Brilliance lights the way.
And we're done. Hoot.
Anything catch your eye?
All right. That is plenty of break. Especially since I don't have that much time left to stream today. So, how do I get this thing to behave like I want it to behave? So, for reference, what I'm trying to do is I want to get an array here of wave datas that I can configure from right here. That's what I want to do. I have no idea how to do it. Okay. It seems to like that one. So why is it letting me put whatever I want in there? Okay. What if I make this a node? Don't think this is right, but I mean, this should be illegal, what I'm doing right now. Or the types it said were valid. Node enum resource. I don't get it, guys. I don't see what's going on. Gado export array of objects. Not possible. For people looking for a way to improve their workflow with setting and editing resources for the sector, tool scripts may be helpful. Sure. Don't love that. Not sure about the most of the time. So obviously, when this is not the behavior case, do not put a script like that. Keep in mind there's nothing stopping you from adding initialization logic to resources and turning them into scripts themselves. No experience with C#. Issues are it's going to be added in 4.0. Nope. Let's just see what the latest is on this. Why did they close it? Closed as completed. What? I have a lot of different structures in my game which represent various different things such as healing items, blah blah blah, to make it easy for designers modders to add and change the data to represent it through extending combined with class name allows you to easily create first file containing exported variables that can be assigned vector. Modified data, one can click some file in the file system, glance over the inspector and properties, leveraging various options associated with export. Works, but only to a point. Let's say I now want all of my party members' equipment enemies have a set of stats associated with them. I can write stats class like this. Now I can just do the following in all of the associated scripts. Yes. Except, unfortunately, that doesn't work, as code will throw an error about not recognizing stats as a resource. Oh. Hold on. Okay, what's the equivalent syntax for that in GD script, I wonder? You even get a little menu to create a new. Sadly, the engine rejects stats as being something entirely different. If there was support for this kind of resource, we should be able to see a menu. This after the menu, create a new stats route. Would alleviate all the workarounds outlined below. Or no. There's a lot more code to be written to around this position. There's the opportunity to build an inspector plugin or use get property list, both of which require quite a bit of code and technical know-how or resource. So this closed as I don't want to see all the completed issues. I want to see how that was. Because if this works now, I want to use it. Implemented by that, and that. See that it has several listed child PRs. Hey, I guess I will look through all of these. Allows exporting custom resources. However, blarg. Rename it, see what happens. Oh. Okay, so it was just bugging out. Okay. We're set. We're set. We're good. Note to self. When things don't seem to be working how they logically should, just recreate it. I'm doing something bad right now that I shouldn't be doing, but it is what it is. Get cracking, let's go. I'm putting a whole bunch of features into a single branch, and that's a very, very bad practice, but I basically have 3 or 4 things up in the air. And like, if I were working on a team, I would absolutely take the time to break this apart, get things merged properly, all that fun stuff. Since it's just me, I'm okay with just squashing all of this when the time comes. Mouse? Thank you for coming back. Oop. Code noise. Right. Name change. Fixing the sorting of the noise layers. That's fine. I'm a golem. That's fine. Resource changes. Orchestrator. Save data. Slime bubble. Fine. Few changes there for animations. Enemy spawner. Yeah, we got stuff a changing. I'll probably rename that to Entity Spawner at some point. Play World had a few changes. Fine. Windows size mode. We know what that was. Got modulate added in there. Wiggle test. Fortunately, we know what that is. Push it! And whenever I get to the point of actually merging this, that's going to be so hairy. Alright. And let's prepare our weekly Twitter post. Where do I want to put it? There's a good spot. Okay, let's figure out where this guy's supposed to go. Okay. Sweet. I want, let's see. I want at least one, probably 2 seconds. That's so 60 frames. At least 280 is where I want to go. Go to 350. Or actually, that's already all of it. So what does it look like? Okay, that's too long. Oddly centralized, but it is, you know, random generation, so that's gonna happen. I think that's good. Okay, file. As. How big are you? That should be fine, right? I did save my template, right, for messages somewhere. There we are. And what did we do this week? A slime puddle with shaders. making a custom bubble particle, or actually a custom particle emitter. Fixing some bugs. Yelling at Godot. Combine that to there. Okay. I think we're good. So chat, if you got any questions or requests, get them in now, because I'm about to end stream for this week. Meaning, I'll be back in 3 days, of course. Going once. Going twice. Sold. Folks, thank you so much for joining. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. If you did, please check out my Ko-fi page, link in the description. There, you can help support the channel. When you do, you'll get access to any of the dev tools I've made to help you guys with your games, and roles in the Discord you can use for getting more direct contact with me and requesting things like new apps and new features. Above all, though, hope y'all have a fantastic day. Take care, everyone.